Okay, now it's going to move to the other side again. Now they go into a zone. They came out here. They want to do something else. They go to a zone.
Libre. Whoa! We're
Jump,
hitting everything.
jump, patay ka kay Matthew Wright. Pag nag-zone na ka dyan.
And the Philippines with a 21-12 third quarter. Really a great defensive
Oh,
effort.
somebody has to help out.
Diagne sends it to the side. Here's a wide open three.
Sagot rin.
Grahita with 7 points.
They'll continue to play zone unless we hit 2 or 3 more shots like that.
Boy turns. Scores!
Oh,
That's a
yeah.
shot. 10-point lead. Biggest lead of the Philippines. Zapatera. Grahita
Good
blocked. Matthew Wright tried to tap it over to Panopio. Here's Ravenna. Shakes free. Finds an opening. And
It will stay with us.
Yeah.
Set the screen.
Golik. Parks. Kabang!
Biglang pumutok ito. 0 sa first quarter. 5.
Malonzo top of the key. Launches a 3. No.
Etherd.
Ravenna
Labas na.
thinking of going downstairs. This shot. Last moment. Yes!
Sano. 4 points. And of course, marami na red flag dyan.
Well,
Tayo nga eh. Panopio. Look away pass.
and Diagne. Malonzo swings left, goes right, is swatted. And here comes Indonesia with their second win. 4-on-2.
Matagal pa ito. 4 minutes pa ito. Game's not over.
Ravenna with 7 seconds on the shot clock. 30, spinning, and scoring.
You go down.
Big drive to the basket. That could have been traveling.
It was traveling.
Big drive. That'll work for Yonga. No. Oh, look at that.
Good
Block.
block. Hindi pa tinira ni Bolik. Pero good thing, we're coming back on defense.
Tres.
No, we need a timeout.
Yaksa.
Hindi pa tinira ni Bolik. Pero good thing, we're coming back on defense.
Tres.
No, we need a timeout.
Yaksa.
Saka we got into penalty early in this quarter.
Diagne. Blocked. Ball will be kept by Indonesia. Severo will try to muscle his way again.
Their help has to come.
Yes,
Their help,
he scores.
Their help didn't come.
He has 22. Has always had a good shot from the outside. Grahita. Indonesia will have possession after this.
And look at that comeback that they have made. They were down by 14. We were cruising with 4 minutes to go.
They're thinking 3 here. But they drive. They kick out. They're boxed in. Diagne lost it. Lost it.
Traveling.
Shot
Violation. Yun. Pinapafoul na ng coach nila kasi hindi nakatira. Ang ganda depensa ni Manzano, hindi siya kumagat sa fake. There's Bolik. And they want Bolik to get the ball. Go to the free throw line.
Miss.
Now we need.
Yeah, there it is.
May timeout pa yata sila eh. And they're going to use it.
Will they go for a 3? They're trying to set that up. The pass. The set up. The shot. No.
Tinawagan ng foul?
No.
Oh, no.
I think we are out of time.
Yeah.
There.
Ay, kumamay na yung ano. Kala ko tumawag pa ng foul.
I think we are out of time in the Philippines.
That was good defense. They just switched everything. No?